has been a long week, but we made it to Friday. I'm in my jams. My son is asleep, and I am going to unbox and test out this Philips eye massager. Instruction manual. We have a power cord, and in here is the eye mask. This is what it looks like. Front. The back has an adjustable stretchy band, and the inside is a very nice padded material. I absolutely love this sleek design. I think it looks so nice. And this is what it looks like on. This eye mask has 4 modes: energetic mode, eye care mode, relaxing mode, and eye warming mode. And there's only one button that you have to push and it will cycle through all of those modes. So you can choose whichever one you prefer. It also has a heating option that has a high or low mode, or you can just turn it off completely if you don't prefer to have heat. And it plays soothing music to help you relax, but if you prefer silence, you can always turn the music off as well, and you can adjust the volume. Or you can connect it to Bluetooth and play your own music through these speakers. It also doesn't have a screen or an associated app, which I absolutely love. If I'm trying to relax and unwind, the last thing that I want to do is look at a screen. So with all of these modes and options, it does have a voice component that will speak to you through the speakers so you know what mode you're on and what adjustments you're making as you're pushing through the buttons. The buttons are all found on the top of the eye mask. So you have your charging port, your power button, and that is also your mode button, so you can switch modes with that, your heat button, and over here you have your music control, volume, and Bluetooth. So I am going to power this on. It starts on energetic mode, and it does start with a massage. I also love that it folds and is super compact, so I can easily throw this in my purse or a carry-on and take it with me on the go. This would be great for long road trips or flights. And I can also just easily store this in the nightstand next to my bed, so I can use it to relax every night before bed and have it not take up too much space. So let's put it back on and try it out. Oh, that honestly was incredible. Each cycle is 15 minutes. You can do that more than once if you want, but the manual recommends 30 minutes max. It starts on energetic mode, and that's the one that I did. It includes the vibration, massage, and heat, and I loved every second of it. The pressure hits perfectly right under your eyes here and on your temples. It really does relax you so much. And it also was playing some ocean sounds, which just helped to deepen the relaxation and even kind of put me in a meditative state. So overall, I absolutely love this massager. I'm going to be using it every night, I'm sure. Thank you so much to Philips for sending me this eye massager so that I could share it with you.